What if I told you that you can add GPT 5.6, image generation, text to speech, and even Codex to your web app completely free, without signing up for OpenAI, without managing API keys, and without paying a single dollar out of your own pocket? No backend needed, no server, no credit card, just one line of JavaScript. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how, using a library called Puter.js. And more importantly, I am going to explain why it is free and how it is free and for whom it is free and practice and practically show you. If you are building an AI apps, so you know the pain. You sign up for OpenAI, grab an API key, and realize there are no free credits. You have to pay up front. But the real hack is every user using your app, they are burning your API credits. If your app go viral, so you will become broke. Even if you use tools like Bolt or Livable to build your app, so still you need a secret API key to add to your code, which is a security nightmare. So here is the complexity, and it is hard, there is friction, and there is cost. So that's why we are moving to the Puter.js library. You can see the stars on GitHub, 42.9k stars on GitHub, and it is giving access to the developer for free for these top models, GPT 5.6, GPT 5.5, and other GPT models for generating text, voice, and images, just by using a single line of JavaScript. If you are using Vue or React.js or any other framework, so you can install their package using this line and then import Puter.js. But if you would like to use CDN inside your head or JavaScript, so you can just use this script. Okay, just a single line of script, so you can access all these ChatGPT models. So now, first of all, I will show you the practical demo of using Puter.js. Then we will move how it is free and how it works actually. So let's get started. First of all, you should move to this page, okay, developer.puter, to this, okay, free unlimited OpenAI, this tutorial, and here getting started. So if you are using Vue or React.js or any other framework, so you can install using npm and then import it in your app. But we are using this CDN in our HTML. So we need, first of all, this script. Okay, copy this script and use it in your HTML file. So this is my chat application that I have built. I pasted, okay, it in the top this. Okay, this is just CSS code that I have used and designed my chat app. We will move now to our JavaScript code. This is HTML code. I will show you the practical it on the browser. So this is our JavaScript code where we will use just this function. Okay, we need that JavaScript script and a function. I will show you that function text to simply, I will find that. Okay, Puter.ai.chat, this function we need. Okay, whenever you want to build chat application, you need this function. So here your text and here the model name. So these models are supported. Just I will show you. You can see GPT 5.6, GPT 5.6 solo, and 5.5, 5.4. All these models are supported, as you can see. All these models are supported. Which one you prefer, so you can use that model. So I will open first of all my application. Okay, this is a chat application. So let's run this. So I will just, okay, if you would like to run this, you need a server. So I have installed this live server extension. Okay, this live server extension. So after installing this, now we will run it. Simply come here at the end, you will see the button go live. Press this, so it will open it inside the browser. As you can see, this is my chat application that I have built. You are free. This is just the front end design, and here we can select model. I have listed just these 4 models: GPT 5.6 Tera, Luna, Nano, and GPT 4o Mini. So I will select this GPT 5.6 Tera, like this one. Okay, so let's select this one. So after selecting that, now here we will start our chatting and chat with this application. So it will use our Puter account. So first of all, I have already created my account. I will just copy this and show you. Okay, I have already created my account. Whenever you a new user using your application, so he pays with this page and he select a model. After selecting model, for example, he put this line and he would like to just chat with this application, so he need to create his account. Okay, the user need to create his account with Puter. After creating his account, he need to add credit to his own Puter account. You don't need to add credit or anything else. So the user should create account and add credit to his account and use your chat application and use the model if he would like to chat or generate images or text to speech, whatever he want. So the user should create their account. After creating their account, they have free limit, free trial. After ending the free trial, then a pop-up will show for them to upgrade and add credits to your account to use the AI. So I have already created my account and I will show you. For example, give me 5 viral or write a 3 line about coffee. So just add these so it will start chatting with our AI model because I already had my account set up my account. This is something like this about coffee. Now whatever you want. So this is just a demo that I would like to show you. Okay, something like this. I quit coffee for 7 days. Here is what happened to my body mode. And this is all about that. And we are using GPT 5.6 data model. So this is about the chat. If you would like to use the image, so simply come here to the image and to generate image with these models. So come here, we will use this function, Puter.ai.text to image. And this is just an example. And for the image supported models are these. For these are for image. Okay, for image generation, GPT Image 2, Image 1.1, Image 1 Mini, and GPT Image 1. So simply come here now to our chart application, to the image application. That was about chart, and here we added our script gs.puter.com/version2, and we will move to the txt to image. Okay, this is the function. Puter.ai.text to image, your prompt and model. For example, GPT Image 2 has been selected. Let's now open this. Okay, first of all, I will turn up the server and rerun the server with this image.html file. Yes, so this is our image generation application. As you can see, this is the front, and here we will see our image whenever we generate. So let's, for example, generate. These are just suggested, like futuristic city at sunset. Let's select this one. So we will generate image now. So now it will generate image using our selected model. So the image has been generated. You can see this is the image which generated. So you can move to new image or you can download this image, these two buttons. This new image, so we can generate now a new image, whatever you want, so you can generate. So these were just two demos that I showed you. You can move to the text to speech models also if you want to just generate text to speech, so you can use these model for text to speech also. So now we will come to the question that how it is free and for whom it is free. So they describe it as user pays model. You can move to the documentation. Okay, here you can see. So it works like this. How it works? The user, whenever a user open your application, so whenever they want to chat or generate image or text to speech, so the Twitter account, they will sign up. Okay, a pop-up will appear and they should create their account with the Puter. So after creating their account, if they are using AI, so they will use their own free credit first of all. If the free credit ended, so then they need to upgrade and add credits to use AI. So that's how it is working. Okay, it will not charge you if million users are using your application, so it will not charge you a single dollar because every user use their own Puter account and every user has a free monthly allowance. When that ended, then they need to upgrade and add credit to their own account. So it is how it is working. You can compare user pays model with traditional model. So here in the traditional model, you set up and pay, developer set up and pay. In Puter.js, no needed. And API key, you manage and secure them. But if you are using Puter, you don't need. And traditionally, you pay for all users usage, and here using Puter, each user pays their own. And cost grow with users, zero cost at any scale. Rate limits, captcha quota, not needed, abuse pays. So it is the advantages that you can read about this user pays model. It means it will not charge the developer a single dollar. Every user will use their own Puter account and their own credit. So to recap, one script tag, no API key, no backend, access to GPT 5.6, image generation, speech, codex, and more. The user pays model means you build it, users cover their own usage, and you scale for free. If you want to follow along with everything I showed, Peter has a full tutorial that walks through all of this step by step. I'll link it in the description and pin it in the comment. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. And let me know in the comment section what would you build with free unlimited open API access. I'm curious to see your ideas. Thanks again to Puter.js for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.